Gold against US dollar this week has reached this support level around 2390.94, and then the price tried to bounce back up. We can see the price format on Tuesday, this small bullish candle, on a Wednesday stronger candle with a larger wick on the upper side. Price tried to reach higher price levels, again going above, reaching 2450, but the price has formed this bearish candle with a larger wick on the upper side, and then on a Thursday, the price continued to fall down, going below 2390.94 support level and reached the next one, 2356.22. After that, the price has bounced back up, continued to rise in value and reaching the first resistance level, 2390.94. The weekly time frame currently shows me that this is a bearish candle. The bearish candle that has just closed slightly below 2390.94, a very important support level. Monthly time frame currently shows me a still bullish candle, which with a larger wick on the upper side, and it is at the very important resistance level, 2390.94. Now, will the price continue to fall down or it will go up? This is something that we need to watch on the lower time frames, but currently it is very important to see on the monthly time frame, where we have one more week until this month closes, that the price needs to go above in order to close as a bullish, to form some kind of a bullish momentum, showing that the price will continue to rise in value to higher price levels. Now, the weekly time frame currently shows me a bearish candle, which needs to be formed next week with another bearish candles going below in order to continue to lose its value and going even more down. Will that happen? This is something that we need to watch on the daily basis, and this is something that I will cover with the traders inside the Telegram group and also the forum. Now, for this one, the price needs to go above 2400 in order to continue bullish momentum. We can see that the daily time frame shows us very important resistance level that needs to be broken in order to rise in value. Now, it is very important to see how the price will behave around this price level. Will the price go up and make a bullish breakout, or it will continue to fall down? This is very important for the next week, how the price will behave. For that, it will be important to see on the Monday how the price will behave, but what I can see are very important levels on the 4-hour time frame chart that I'm sharing with the traders inside the forum and the Telegram group. Will be important to see how the price behaves, which will indicate further direction of the price. Will the price form this bullish breakout above 2390.94? That will show us bullish strength, indicating further rise in value, or the price will go below this one, which is 2376.75, a support level that needs to be broken in order to go even more down, reaching 2356.22. Now, this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.